Guys, welcome back to learning Duolingo French with me. I can't wait to get to the farther lessons because the sentences are going to get so long, it's going to be crazy. The reason I'm looking up here because I flipped my iPad upside down because I got to charge it. It was like very low battery, but anyways, we want to talk about all the technical stuff. Let's jump into the lesson. Oh wait, oh man, hope it doesn't sound bad. Let me see. I didn't set up the sound or anything. Nothing, eh? Oh, no.
Oh.
Whoa! Oh! This one?
Oh.
Oh! Oh! Okay, that's it. Turn it up a bit. Oh, that doesn't sound good at all, man. Bonjour, moi c'est Alice. Alice. Enchanté, Alice. Oh.
Et.
Eh.
Et.
Eh. Teaching me the alphabet.
Au revoir, bonne journée.
Au revoir, bonne journée. So goodbye, good day. What? Goodbye. Have a good day or something like that. Have a day. Have a good day. Oh, it sounds hissy.
Bienvenue.
How do I get rid of that? Bienvenue is welcome. Welcome. Oh, this will be a quick video. I'm just gonna get a grip on the sound.
Au revoir, Paul.
Au revoir, Paul. I can't listen now? Oh, AU, right? Oh. Oh, my hand's gonna be in there, all that? Yeah, I should just charge my iPad and then let it, we'll have it back to normal soon, hopefully. Bienvenue.
Bienvenue.
Just bring my hand up and over like that. Bienvenue. Welcome.
Au revoir, Marie.
Au revoir, Marie. Et you. I wonder what that means. Au revoir. Oh.
Bonjour Marie, enchanté.
Maybe this might actually sound better than the regular recording. So I'm going through my speaker right now. Whatever. Just get into
Bonjour
lesson.
Marie, enchanté.
So distracted. Bonjour, Marie. Enchanté. Hello, Marie. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Bonjour, Marie. Enchanté.
Bonjour, bienvenue.
Bonjour. Bienvenue. I cannot speak because it'll ruin the recording.
Bonjour, bienvenue.
Bonjour. Bienvenue. Hello. Welcome.
Bonne journée.
Bonne journée. Good day. Have a good day. Have a good day. Have a good day. Right? Bonne journée. Correcto. See you soon, Paul. À bientôt. À bientôt.
Bien, Paul.
À bientôt, Paul. All right.
Enchanté.
Enchanté. Type the English translation. Nice to meet you. Enchanté. Enchanté. See you soon, Marie. Oh, I don't know how to type that. A bientôt. I don't know if it's just a regular A with a tick. Let's just try. Oh, which one is it? Which A will it be today? A bientôt. B-I-E-N-T-O with a hat? T? This is a good guess, but is it going to be enough? What? What? Oh, I didn't type in Marie. I had it right. Whoa. Whoa. They should have gave me at least for half, you know. A bientôt, Marie. B-I-E-N-T-O-T with a hat. Oh, man. Too busy thinking about the sound. Have a good day. Bonne journée or bonne journée? Oh, gosh. Which one is it? Bonne journée. Bonne journée. Does that look right? No, I think it's the feminine one, right? Au jour, un jour, une jour. No, it's bonne journée. This video's not doing good. I'm feeling Tabasco sauce roll through my pant legs from my mind. Bon journée, bon journée. There's two. Journey. I'm an English Franglish. See you soon, Mary. I'm losing stuff, right? Oh man. I don't want to lose my heart, man. À bientôt, Mary. So we know it's the A with the tick. B-I-E-N-T. Nope, it's just a regular T, my dudes. T with O with a hat. Bientôt, Marie. Marie. À bientôt, Marie. Sometimes the mistakes fortify what should be done. So it's a good thing to have mistakes every now and then. You lose the perfectionist spirit and you never want to speak ever again. Have a good day. Is type the French translation. Feminine. Bon. Oh, how do you spell it? B-O-N-N-E? Bon? B-U-N-N. No. Bon. Journée with an E. I don't know. Is it that one? Bonne journée. Bonne journée. I was nervous. Nervous. Please be the end. I suffered greatly through this. All right, they're happy. They're happy it's done too. Like, get this guy out of here. Let him fix his sound, man. All right, see you guys in the next video.
What can one idea do?
Ready.
Shut up.
Shut
off the speaker. How do I skip this, man? Help! I don't know how to stop the video. Oh.